Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of. BKEJOY 3-tier rolling cart, storage cart with wheels. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. BKEJOY 3-tier rolling cart provide you more storage space, great for the home kitchen, office, bedroom, bathroom. This handy storage cart is the perfect addition to your kitchen, workshop, patio, or any room where mobile storage is desired. With durable construction and contemporary look, the utility cart can be put to work outdoors or indoors for a wide variety of uses. BKEJOY rolling cart uses a humanized design style and made of 100% hard plastic. Compared with traditional PP plastic, it has better stability, corrosion resistance, and wears resistance. Not easily deformed. Our rolling cart is equipped with 4 universal wheels that can rotate 360 degrees, 2 of which are equipped with braking devices. Make your items more stable without falling. Use drain hole design style, not afraid of water accumulation, dry storage, and ventilation. BKEJOY rolling carts are made of 100% high-grade plastic with the best load capacity. It's very strong and not easy to break. The storage racks are widely spaced so that items are easy to access regardless of height. We have equipped you with 2 fixed hooks and 2 removable hooks that can hang anything for you. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.